Today, honey, not my favorite day. No. What's happening in Vancouver, honey? Is it the climate change? Just to show you how Vancouver not supposed to have snow. Look, it's still fall here. Now it's snowing, falling on the tree. Honey, look at that. Snow. In Vancouver, not cool, guys, not cool. We moved in Vancouver because we hate snow. And now the snow is here. Let's go take a big coffee, honey. Look how it's scary. The snow here in Vancouver, honey. Oh, I feel like we're back on the go at Monopoly, là. You know the.
And
don't collect $200. Just collect snow. I don't know if the fountain water is still working, honey. Oh no! So yes, the fountain water is still working. Supposed to freeze. Look at that. This is our secret path, guys. We walk our dog here to take our delicious coffee. But now, today, look at that. November 30, honey. 2022. Snowing in Vancouver. Ugh. Look, the beautiful fountain where we make always the same wish, honey. $50 million. Let's go. Gizmo loved this weather, and Chico, he hated it. So I'm gonna show you. Look, let's go there. Ah, look at that, honey. Do you feel the wind? Oh no, that's not good, eh? No, that's not why we are here, honey. We came here. Oh, look, the boats. He freeze in the water. So this is Vancouver. Normally I will say, Vancouver, I love you, but not today. Huh, honey? Not today. People have parapluie, umbrella to fight the snow, honey. This is the middle of Vancouver, middle of the middle, honey. Let's go take a hot coffee for our heart because it's broken because of the snow and the cold. Snow in the town, snowing in the town. Let's go drink a delicious coffee, honey, in this amazing shitty weather. There, honey, there. One coffee. Two coffee. Honey, three coffee. 4 espresso shots on each because it's so depressed today. Yes, normally we take one each, but I'm gonna split one. So 6 shots today for this weather. Oh, delicious coffee, honey. And this weather that I don't recognize Vancouver. Good morning, buddy. Good morning. Yes, guys. I'm not really depressed, no, because I'm just sad that because we moved to Vancouver because we hate snow. And 2 weeks ago it was snowing, and today it's a big snow. So, and at the same time, we are happy because we celebrate our 2 years anniversary, honey. Yes, because it's November 30, and we celebrate November 20. 2 years. 2 years here. Is it great? I feel like I talk a lot, but it's Marie-Ève. Marie-Ève don't like to talk, esti. On the camera. So, but hey, 2 years in Vancouver, and we achieved everything. We went to LA again. We went to Las Vegas, and now where do you think we're gonna move, honey? Do you know where we're gonna move? I don't know. Guess.